All right, folks, I'm back out here at Memory Lane Classic Car Museum in Hiawassee, Georgia. I was going to show you another car I thought was pretty dang cool that you don't see a whole lot of. I kind of like the oddball stuff. It's a 61 Plymouth convertible. These cars right here are kind of an oddball looking car, but I've always loved the looks of these, especially the convertible. But these tail lights, in 61, you know, everybody had the big tail fins. And they took away the tail fins completely on these, and then just kind of on like an afterthought, well, we've designed this thing, we need some tail lights. But this is awesome. Coolest looking car. Of course, it is a rag top, which even makes it better. Now, this car's for sale. You can buy this car right here at Memory Lane Classic Car Museum. The front of these cars was always odd to me, but definitely an eye catcher. And you know, in Chrysler products in the 61, 2, 3s, and always a little bit different look. The interior on these things is always very cool. I always love the speedometer on these model cars. They just kind of stick up in your face. And of course, it's got this big sport steering wheel, but the factory steering wheel, I believe on this one was square. Now, y'all can correct me if that's right or not. But actually, a lot of people find these cars in junkyard, and they take that little instrument cluster off the dash and make lights and stuff for their office or desk, for their custom garage and all that stuff. But this right here is I love this era of cars. I always did, and just wanted to show that to you. And like I said, this is at Memory Lane Classic Car Museum, and like I said, you can, in that car for another quarter you can get a red one. But anyway, just wanted to show that to you and see what you thought. Back out here at the Memory Lane Classic Car Museum, and got another. Of course, I'm a MOPAR man. I love these old cars, but I was going to show you one I thought that probably one of the prettiest cars that Plymouth ever put out. I think Plymouth Satellite. We've actually had a couple of these past in the years growing up, but I always thought this body style was the prettiest. Actually, my brother rolled one of these completely over on its top, and we rolled it back over and kept driving it home. But Satellite, Belvedere, all the same. And the only thing I noticed on this one, and I could be wrong, but this has actually got the red, white, and blue grill, which I think that was only on the GTX, but now I might be totally wrong. But that is, to me, one of the prettiest cars that Plymouth ever had. It was a square body style. Not real wild about the big wheels. I kind of like the old style fat wheels that we growed up with. But anyway, I just want to see what y'all thought about that. Like I said, I like the Satellite, and it's going to be a 67, I do believe, if I'm not incorrect on that, because there's no side marker lights on it. And anybody that drives a MOPAR knows that your side marker lights, 67 didn't have them, 68 had the little round ones, and then they went with the rectangle. In 69, I'll show you one if I can find one. There you go. There's a square one that we talk about. It's on the little Dodge Dart GT. It's got a 440 in it, convertible. But that is the side marker lights I was talking about, so that would be like 69. There they are. Pretty little marker lights that they had in 68. Little yellow Roadrunner here with a 440 in it, but you see them pretty little. And why they didn't use them but 1 year, I'll never know. But they're actually kind of going back to them now. But man, what beautiful cars they had sitting there. But that's the difference. 67, no marker lights. 68's gonna have these, and then the 69 will have the square bodied, or square lights, which is a telltale sign from a mile away.